Are you tired of boring breakfast? Then try this quick and tasty Ragi Upma in 10 minutes. It's very simple to make, very tasty and healthy also. Welcome to Sathvik Lifestyle, your home for Ayurveda, yoga and healthy recipes. To a bowl, take 1 cup of ragi flour, either sprouted one or ordinary one. To this, gradually add water and mix the flour like this. You don't need it like dough. Just mix it like this. Ragi is a superfood with low glycemic index. It is gluten-free, rich with calcium, iron, vitamin D, C and B complex, good for all age groups. Because of low glycemic index and high dietary fiber, it slows down glucose release and keeping the blood sugar stable and helps in diabetic management. It keeps you full for longer, reducing cravings. With high fiber, it aids digestion and prevents overeating and supports weight loss. It contains amino acids, antioxidants and fiber that helps to lower cholesterol and maintain healthy blood pressure. Because of gluten-free property, it is perfect for people with gluten intolerance or celiac diseases. It is great for kids and elderly people because of rich calcium. Once you get this crumbling texture, it is ready. Now arrange a steamer. Spread a banana leaf like this. If you don't have banana leaf, grease your steaming plate with the oil and spread out the ragi flour evenly. Steam cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Cover a lid and steam cook. It should be on medium flame. Now the flour has cooked perfectly. Keep it aside. To a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil or any cold-pressed oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Roast them nicely. Once the dal half cooked, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and few curry leaves and saute it. Now add finely chopped 1 onion, 2 sliced green chilies. You can adjust the number of chilies as per your taste. 1 inch sized ginger and half cup of grated carrot. Salt all together. Now add half cup of freshly grated coconut. Coconut enhances the taste of upma and also it is rich with the dietary fiber, medium chain triglyceride. Give a good mix. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a good mix. Add steamed ragi flour and give a quick mix. It's already cooked, so no need of cooking too much. Just give a mix. And garnish with finely cut coriander leaf. Healthy ragi upma is ready to serve. Serve hot. Do give it a try and let me know how it has turned out. See you in the next video. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.